Hello, my Zanussi condenser dryer ZDC47200W has no power. I have tested the main socket and there is power going to it. I have changed the fuse and there is still no power. It cut off halfway through a cycle and I believe it got very overheated as it was clogged up with fluff and lint. Any ideas what it could be and what part I should change?
Have you tried power cycling the appliance, unplugging it and leaving it off for a few hours?
So just unplug, clear it out and leave it. It's been unplugged for about 1.5 hours and still nothing.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Ideally, if I can, yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Their bearing at the back had some black grit in the cover. But the drum is still turning.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily.
Hi Daniel, since my post I have taken the machine apart and tested the thermostats with a multimeter. They both appear to be working.
If the power supply to the dryer is fine and the fuse is okay, then I'm afraid it's more than likely the control board has failed here. If you can then remove the top of the dryer, and there at the back you will see the power cable entering the dryer and going to the mains filter. Just check there is no signs of burning on there. Once it leaves the mains filter, it goes into the back of the control board. It will go into the switching unit. This is the part that fails. But I'm afraid when it does, it's a complete control board on these. I've replaced many boards on these for this fault. Sorry, it's not good news, but if you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Hi, thank you, no sign of burning. Can I buy a replacement control board? Or am I able to test the control board in some way so I know it is definitely that? Thanks.
The switching unit that fails cannot be checked, I'm afraid. But if the supply is good but nothing is coming up, then it can only be the control board. Nothing else in there will cause this fault, as they don't have any internal fuses or anything like that. If you can post the full product number, PNC, of the sticker on the inside of the door which starts with a 9, then I can get the correct part number for you. As these boards are easy to swap over as they come programmed up.
It's 916-094-547-02. Thank you.
Sorry for the delay, laptop just froze on me. I'm getting the part number now for you, so give me a few minutes.
Thank you.
The part number is this is the programmed version, so it will be a straightforward swap over.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.